welcome to my channel. How's everyone doing? This is part 2 of the Beebeecraft little series. I'll put part 1 down below. They have, well, first of all, they sell craft items. They have a website. They have a YouTube program, it's called, where you could check them out. I'll put those links below, and you could try out some of their items and review them. And as long as you have 100 subscribers or more, and they allow you $40. I believe that's US funds. And you can pick out whatever you want, and they'll send it to you. It doesn't cost anything. So if you want to check it out below, that would be great. So I got a few items that I showed in my last video, which I said I'll put down below. And then we're to make a couple of craft items or craft projects with some of the items we got. So far I have used the ribbon. Do you remember I got, oh, here it is. I got this ribbon, and there are 20 in here, and I believe it was, well, the price will be in the other video because I can't remember exactly. I don't want to misquote it. So I used the ribbon on a card that I made. Now, I like to put, you know, ribbon along the side. It just, as an embellishment, and it just, I think, makes the card look more decorative, more feminine maybe. So this is the card I made, and all I did was use some glue to glue the ribbon down. So that is one of the items I used. The other 2 items were envelopes and stickers. So I'm gonna make something with those, and maybe with the ribbon as well, again. So I'll show you those to you in a future video, probably sometime this week. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.